draw Billie Eilish in my style, and let's get started and hope for the best. So let's start with my A3 size Brewster drawing sheet. So these are my beautiful new set of graphite pencil, and I'm gonna use them for drawing Billie Eilish. Now let's draw some outlines, and it's gonna take some time, by the way. Okay, finally the outlines are done, and it's looking quite rough, but I'll manage it while shading. Before moving to my favorite shading portion, let's have some tea because it's my energy source. Now I'm ready to start, so let's get started.
I see the violence in your eyes and
it's 10:15 a.m. in the morning, and I'm starting with Billie's blonde hair, and I know it's gonna take my forever because I'm not so good at drawing blondes, okay? So let's see how much it takes.
They're gonna kill if you let them through. Go, mommy, go now. I really don't want to see you cry. Mommy, go now.
Her hair looks quite okay as expected, but anyways, let's continue drawing her face.
Cause it's gonna be biting you. They're gonna kill if you let them through. Go, mommy, go now. I really don't want.
It's already 12 p.m. and I'll try to draw at least 2 portraits of Billie today. So finally one portrait is done and it's looking quite good, so let's move to the second one. I love drawing hair with charcoal pencil because it is so satisfying.
Cry, but don't be afraid, cause you really don't matter.
Okay, now I'm very tired, so let's take a break and have something. I'm done, and let's get back to the work.
Silent fighting, I see the lies in their mind, and you can't decide. Go away and go from the bad guys, follow my advice, cause they're gonna be by.
And finally I managed to complete 2 portraits of Billie, and now that's all for today. I'll continue tomorrow. Good morning everyone, and let's get back to the work.
Go, mommy, go now.
First, I'm finishing the previous unfinished portions, and then I'll draw the smaller Billie Eilish.
I really wanna brutalize, let him agonize, cause it's gonna be biting you. They're gonna kill if you let them through. Go, mommy, go now. I really don't want to see you cry. Mommy, go.
So I successfully completed 3 portraits of Billie Eilish, and it's time for the last one.
Let him agonize, cause it's gonna be biting you. They're gonna kill if you let them through. I see the violence, silent fighting. I see the lies in their mind, and you can't decide cause they only blinding. Go away and go from the bad guys, follow my advice cause they're gonna be biting.
This time her cloth details are a bit challenging, but I'll try my best to finish it gracefully.
Go, mommy, go now. I really don't want to see you cry. Mommy, go now.
So here are the final results. Hope you guys like it, and thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.
let them through.